So, my name is Aaron. My role here at Sub-Zero Engineering is a production supervisor. What a production supervisor means to me is somebody who effectively follows through with orders, kind of sees them throughout the whole process, beginning to end, kind of helps support any of the teams, helps with any of the collaborative efforts that the teams have to go through. Um, you know, Kind of reunite people, get on the same page. It's a lot of meetings, a lot of getting people together, making sure that we all know how we want the whole process to go. And then I just oversee the whole process from the beginning until we see the product out of the door. So I would say that my greatest strength here within my team is probably my communication with my team. Me and my team kind of have a focus on building a trust with one another, and that helps us kind of effectively carry out orders, just because it makes it more, the communication has a more open flow to it. So we tend to kind of get on the same page a little bit quicker, and we execute any orders that need to be done. So what I've seen with collaboration here in Sub-Zero is that it's pretty open-ended communication. Everybody collaborates with one another. The main thing that I would say the common goal that we all have is that we want to make sure that we all have the highest quality product with the most effective processing that we can have in place. And it's just the open communication. It really helps us get everything out. I really believe in the quality of the Simplex lines because that's one of our main goals. We want to deliver the highest quality possible product to our customer. We believe that if we produce a high quality product, that our customer will be happy. I take a lot of pride in what we do just because I really believe in our product. I believe that our product can help really make a big change in the world. I know that some of our customers, whether their project is big or small, we're here to back them up, whatever it is. I believe that, whether the project is big or small, it's gonna make a difference somewhere. So I believe that ensuring that we produce the highest quality product will ensure that those changes are effective changes. What I really love about this facility is that we have the opportunity to really move around. If we are interested in another product, we have the availability to kind of switch to another focus, or we have all the tools and resources available to us. I really like this facility just because it's a lot bigger. I wasn't at the old one, but this facility is pretty big, and so it allows us to have space to really just make the changes that we need to make around here. We have the diversity of different products, so doing the same thing over and over again can get a little repetitive. One of the freedoms that we have here is that we have the luxury to kind of switch focus whenever we can. So it ensures, or it kind of helps us stay busy with what we're doing. The reason why it makes sense that we have data centers here and clean rooms is because they're both containments. So they kind of have a similar focus in the sense that they are trying to withhold something within the enclosure, right? It makes sense that we work on both just because a lot of our products are collaborative products. So it's pretty common to see, for instance, a ProGlide door going into a data center or going into a clean room. So, and that just kind of goes back to the freedom that I was talking about. You can work on one line, but you can be producing for a data center or a clean room depending on what you're working on. So that's kind of where the attention to detail comes into play. These guys are tasked with making sure that they are making sure that they're following the process as best as possible. So one of the biggest takeaways from that would be to know whether you're working on a data center door or a clean room door. Each door has different details, so it's really important for us to make sure that we know what we're working on. That way we're ensuring that our customer is getting exactly what they're asking for. one thing I really want to talk about is the people back there. We have amazing teams back there. All of them are very proud of what they do. They they're all about their quality. So they're really proud, and anytime they touch any of our products, all that's going through their head is, how can I make this product a better product for my customer? As a supervisor, I believe in all of the people back there. I believe that we have amazing teams. I believe that I do get the support from the production teams. I believe I get the support from the engineering teams alike and anybody else in the office. I think everybody here is amazing. I think they all can do their jobs. They're very capable people. And that just kind of adds to the environment, you know, like everybody is on the same page. Everybody collaborates with one another. That really helps us kind of ensure all of our quality here at Sub-Zero. So I believe that Simplex would be the cleanroom product, the go-to cleanroom product, just because we do have the attention to detail, we do have the quality back there, we do have the processing, and all the teams out there are amazing at what they do. They are ensuring all of the quality for, you know, all of our customers. We're all on the same page. So I truly believe that Simplex would be the company to go to for clean rooms.